Hey guys, my name is Abhijit. Today I will show you USA states game which I created by using Python 3.8. Now you can see this empty USA state map on this window. This is main.py file. In this file I written some codes. This is Excel spreadsheet and the file format is CSV file, or you can say comma delimiter. In this spreadsheet have 3 columns and 51 rows. Now you can see these 3 attributes state, X and Y, which have the data of USA states. Now I import this file into Python environment. You can see all the data are properly imported into this environment. This game tests your own knowledge of the name of 50 states on the USA. When I enter the name and hit OK, then automatically that name appears on the map at their location of the states. Now let's see.